Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to invest and cash out on a site called Pico. Okay, so I've been using this site for some weeks now and I've really made some cool cash out of it. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's get started. Okay, so this is how the site looks like. Okay, I'll leave the link in my description, so just go ahead and create an account and start investing. So when you log in or create an account, all you need to do is to recharge. So you tap on this button, then you select the amount you want to recharge. So when you select 60, you head over to recharge now, tap on it, you wait for this to load, then you tap on it again. Okay, so you select your network operator, then your number follows. Okay, so you enter your number. After that, you tap on confirm. So you are going to send an amount of 60 Ghana cedis to this particular number. After that, when you finish sending the money, you copy the transaction ID and come and paste it over here. Then you tap on get results. But since I've already invested in it and about to cash out, I'm just going to show you how it is. So after recharging, you notice that your balance will be 90 cedis instead of the 60 cedis you recharge. So in that case, you purchase a product over here that's 60 Ghana cedis. Then after that, you cash out the remaining 30 cedis. If you like to, you can leave it in the account for the daily reward. Okay, so after recharging, you tap on this particular button which says product. Okay, so you tap on product, then you select the one you want. But since we've gone in for the 60 cedis recharge, you tap on this one, then you confirm. But I've already done it. Okay, so this is how it works. When you recharge the 60 Ghana cedis and purchase the product, you are going to receive 9 cedis every day. That's 6 p.m. in the evening for 60 days. So in total, you are going to get 540 cedis for this particular package. Yeah, that's how it works. And you get 15 cedis per referral. That means when you refer a friend and he or she registers, you get 15 cedis of his commission. Okay, so this particular video is about how to withdraw the money. Okay, so you tap on withdraw. As you can see, I have 38 cedis, 50 pesos in my account. So just tap on it and add an account. That's your network provider, the name on your mobile money, and your number itself. I've already added it, so you just tap on the wallet and you select the amount you want to withdraw. So let's withdraw 38 cedis, 50 pesos. You are going to deduct 10% tax from the money, so you are going to get 34 cedis. Okay, so let's tap on withdraw. So it says submission successfully. Okay, so let's refresh it. Let's come back home. So as you can see, my balance is now 0.00 and the total amount of money I've withdrawn is 353 cedis, 60 pesos. Okay, so let's check whether it's in. Okay, so as you can see, the money is in just now. You just received 34 cedis. Yeah, this shows the site is very, very legit. I've been using it for like a week now and everything is working perfectly. So in case I refer a friend and my friend also registers, I'll get 15 cedis. The balance will be added here. So I'll wait for it to reach 30 cedis, then I'll cash out because the minimum withdrawal is 30 cedis. Okay, Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next video.